Okay, so hi dear Gemini, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is monthly reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising for the month of August 2025. It's not a love reading or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Gemini, the overall energy for Gemini people for the month of August 2025 is, let's see what we have. We have the Page of Cups. Okay, your heart is going to be full of love. Your heart is going to be full of love, care, compassion. It's like childlike love. It's like childlike innocent kind of love. Sometimes it's going to be a little bit overwhelming, when kids become overwhelmed, but mostly it's going to be like, okay, I am ready to forgive and forget. I am ready to like live like a child, kind hearted, loving, caring, nurturing, and whenever I want to cry, I'll cry. Whenever I want to laugh, I'll laugh. That kind of energy. Really beautiful, really, really beautiful. That's what the universe wants. The whole existence, actually. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. The High Priestess, you were doing something in silence, or intuitively you were guided to remain silent and remain a little bit mysterious. Mhm. Currently we have the Ten of Cups. You are busy building a family kind of dynamic for you, and or you are busy taking care of family and or people who are like family to you. We'll clarify this. And by the end of August we have the Tower. Something is going to fall apart. Some kind of truth is going to be revealed. Let's clarify the High Priestess in the recent past for you guys, Gemini. Okay, where are you going, honey? Come back. Babe, what's wrong? What's wrong, babe? We'll take a break after this, okay? Okay, let's see. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. Okay, you were silently waiting for something to something or someone to show up in your energy so that you can come out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energies. Maybe you were deliberately doing this silent, being silent kind of thing so that you can achieve some kind of wish fulfillment. Maybe some kind of message communication apology from someone so that you can get out of this silence of yours. Okay, for some of you, you were waiting for some kind of offer, maybe job offer or career offer, or you were waiting for some kind of results to show up in your energies so that you can come out of this again feeling left out in the cold kind of energy and have some kind of desire fulfilled, wish fulfilled. It's not like you were giving up on something or someone. It's like you were waiting silently for that thing to happen because you were feeling like I deserve that. Okay. Currently we have the Ten of Cups. Let's clarify this. Where are you going? Gemini, the cards are not ready to read today, but let me see. We have the Knight of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, the Eight of Wands. Now you are busy with people, situations, things, collaborations, partnerships that are keeping you happy, that are keeping you like, okay, keeping you in this energy of, okay, let's do this, let's go ahead with this with this partnership, with this collaboration. Let's do whatever it takes to keep it going because it's making you feel happy and alive again, right? And your family is very supportive. There is support around you. There's a lot of support and love around you. Family kind of situations, friends or partners or collaborators. There is a lot of love and care around you, and you're diving into this love and you're feeling very very happy about it. You are feeling like, okay, even if I didn't get what I wanted, and thankfully I didn't get it. Now I have this because of what I didn't get in the past. Now I have this in the present, and I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it. And you are being a little beautiful, a little more grateful to life than usual because you are really enjoying this process, this journey, and this chapter of your life because it's unfolding so beautifully and you have a lot of love and support around you. You are enjoying it, and you should definitely. This is beautiful. By the end of this month, we have the tower. Let's clarify this tower. We have the Ace of Cups, the King of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. Awesome. When you will be least expecting for some kind of heart fulfilling, beautiful connection, collaboration, partnership, it will show up in your life. Suddenly, unexpectedly, out of the blue. See, right now you are happy and you are just doing your own thing and you are in extremely positive and high vibration. This is the exact thing that's required to attract the kind of people, situations, things that we want in our life. And that's what exactly going to happen by the end of August. You are going to attract, suddenly out of the blue, you are going to attract something really, really meaningful and beautiful, a beautiful partnership, a beautiful collaboration, a beautiful situation where you are going to be amazed, you are going to be surprised and shocked in happiness. Like, I was not expecting this now. And then it's going to show up when you will be least expecting it to show up in your life. Again, it can be a business collaboration, it can be friendship, it can be a romantic connection, it can be something that you wanted in the past. Now you're going to get it, maybe not exactly the way you wanted it, but better than that. Yeah. So you are going to attract something, some kind of really meaningful and beautiful partnership, collaboration, situation that's going to make you feel like, oh my god. Yeah, in a beautiful, positive way. Awesome. For you, the guidance is the Ten of Swords. The worst is over. This is like a worst phase of your life is over. An era is ending. A very painful era is ending in your life, Gemini. So make sure you are going to just do your own thing, enjoy your path, enjoy your journey. Meanwhile, you're soaking yourself in good vibes, good energies, good things, and letting things unfold the way it should. Not attach too much to what you want, and just remain in a detached and good vibration, high vibrations, and you will get whatever you want eventually. But again, you are going to get it only when you are going to be least expecting it to get, and only when you are going to completely detach from the idea of getting it. Just do your own thing, enjoy your life to the fullest the way you are doing, and then let it come to you. Let it come to you. The worst is over, the pain is over. If not, it will be over very, very soon. Just enjoy the chapter, enjoy the journey while it lasts. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.